Well, give me a hairstyle that I love.
Right, good. I'm glad you love it. Yay. Glad. Where is the hair loss? This thin hairstyle transformation shows how the right protective styling technique can create a natural looking hairline as well as full coverage. This method is designed for clients with thinning edges, alopecia, hair loss, or no edges at all. This method focuses on scalp protection, lightweight install, and a realistic finish. And that's what I'm giving her here. As you can see, my client did have some loss in the front and on her edges, but no worries, ladies. If you continue to watch this process, you will see how this beautiful style was achieved. I did her a braid pattern, making sure I braided her edges down, and I'm using what? My custom closure. Yes, this is my custom closure. They do come pre-braided. It's super easy to use, as easy as 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, I've already installed that closure, and now I am installing her boho braids. Yes, I am installing them right on her closure, and this is going to give her the natural finish look that she is looking for. It's going to give her that full coverage in the front and on her edges. Oh my gosh, ladies, look at those edges. This style came out absolutely beautiful. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss or any hair thinning in the front and on her edges. She is going to be able to wear this in various styles. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, or even a middle part. She can also pull this to the back and offer her face. Oh my gosh, my client was so happy, so excited when she seen herself in the mirror. This style came out absolutely gorgeous. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in today for your custom closure. And I also have custom frontals, which go from ear to ear. They come pre-braided, or you can braid them yourself. They also come in several different colors. So yes, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website where you can get your order in today. Thank you so much for watching. Much love to all my subscribers. Please help support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, tapping that bell so you do not miss any of my videos, and help support my channel so other people can see these videos too. Again, share with your family and share with your friends. Tees, Braids, and Weaves, West Coast Finest. Much love. Oh my gosh, my client is so happy, and I'm happy for her.